Makeup. I am V. Today's I am just thought of it and I had to write it down really quick so I don't forget. It is I am happy to watch my blessings multiply. I am happy to watch my blessings multiply. You are happy to watch your blessings multiply. Let us keep saying our I ams. Let us keep adding to our I ams. And I hope your I ams are helping you through your day. Now I am going to use the AFROGALACTIC eyeshadow palette. I am going to use all 10 shimmers. Let us have some fun. It's been a while I have not done that. Because there are 10, 5, 5. In no particular order, we are going to have some makeup fun. I am happy to watch my blessings multiply. Yeah. My blessings are multiplying. We are empowering ourselves with I am. I love it. Eyes are base, ready to do shimmers. I'm doing my right, which will be your left when watching this video. Orbit is the first one. Orbit is going in here, right here. I am just doing all 10 shimmers. Question for you. Have you ever been home or somewhere and it is so quiet that if there is a clock you can hear it ticking? Let me know. Second shimmer is Mother Earth. I have small eyes. I'm trying to make sure all 5 fit. Third shimmer is Ancestors. Fourth shimmer is Spiral. I'm putting it next to Ancestors. Fifth shimmer is Horizon. Outer corner. Small eyes, so gotta make them fit. That's why I couldn't do all 10 on one. It would not have worked. These are the first 5 shimmers. Sixth shimmer is called Spirit. Seventh shimmer is called Wakanda. Aurora is the 8th shimmer. I guess I went too wide on this eyes because I still have 2 left. We will figure that out. 9th shimmer is called Bellona. You see how small my eyes are? Going this way. I am out of place, but guess what? Number 10 is going to still go up. We are creating and we are going to make it work. None of them are the same. Not one is the same. They all have a different shift and they all look different on the eyes. Number 10 shimmer is Alien. And I'll put it right next to Bellona. Five on this eye, 5 on the other eye. Let me dress this up and we'll see what the whole thing looks like. It is just pretty. I am happy to watch my blessings multiply. I am happy to watch my blessings multiply. That is our I am for today. This is the all 10 shimmers from the AFROGALACTIC palette eye makeup look for today. I am happy to watch my blessings multiply. This is it. This is it. I am digging this look. Yeah. More power to us. Yes. But all of them together, take a look. Not one fits the same way. Not one looks the same way. They all have a shift. Let's see if I can get that for you. Ten shimmers. I am happy to watch my blessings multiply. Remember, you are first. Without you, there is no other. There is not a duplication of you. You might hear people say, oh, I saw someone who looked like you. And that can be true, and it is true. But that person is not you, and that person will never be you. There are no duplications of you. And that is why you are special. Remember that always. Never, ever, ever, ever give up on yourself. Know that you are loved by many. You might not feel it, but you are loved. And if you pray and you believe in God, believe in the universe, believe in whoever you worship, you know that person loves you. Don't give up on yourself. Don't do anything in any way, shape, or form to harm you or another. If you need help, seek help. If you need to talk to someone, talk to someone. If you need to talk to a lot of people to feel better, do that. But don't give up on you. Never, ever, ever. Life is too precious for you to give up so quickly. We all go through a lot of hurt, pain, struggles. That's why I always tell you, you're not alone. Sometimes someone is having the best day when you see them smiling. Don't judge that person. Let us be mindful about judging or hurting another person. When you see someone, if you can't say anything good, say nothing. Respect others because you want respect for yourself. Respect you plenty so that when someone else says or does something to you, you know to stand up and say, nope, that is not what I want because I respect myself. Know when to cut people out of your life. Know when to walk away from a situation that no longer serves you. Know that you are important. You are worthy. You are enough. You don't have to buy love. You don't have to beg for love. You are love. And with that said, I am saying to go out there and live life. Keep rising. Never give up. If you have a dream, pursue it. Small steps will get you there. Don't do anything in haste. Think twice about everything, but never procrastinate. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply Makeup V, will see you in another video. Keep rising and keep watching your blessings multiply. Bye.